Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are making ahi tuna steak with asparagus and vine tomatoes. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna prep and cook the asparagus. Cut off the ends with a knife, or you can snap off the ends if you don't want to use the knife. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Once boiling, add in the asparagus spears and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes or just until they turn bright green. Quickly transfer the asparagus into a large bowl of ice water to hold cooking. Let it sit for 2 minutes, then dump out the water, then set aside. Now let's move on to work on ahi tuna steak. Dab with a paper towel to get all the wetness out. In a small bowl, combine black pepper, salt, and paprika. Next, you are going to rub olive oil on all sides. Then season with salt and black pepper mixture. Get it covered on all sides. Once the tuna steak is well seasoned, sear it for 1 to 1.5 minutes, depending for rare. Flip and sear 1.5 minutes. Using tongs, sear edges for 20 to 30 seconds all around the steak. Now let's move on to work on the asparagus and vine tomatoes. In a griddle, add olive oil. You can also use butter. Add asparagus and vine tomatoes. Season with salt and black pepper and cook for 2 minutes or until the asparagus is fork tender. Serve immediately. There you have it guys, ahi tuna steak with asparagus and vine tomatoes. Serve with your favorite sauce. I like to serve mine with soy sauce vinaigrette. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my heart.